This 2017 Maserati Quattroporte is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. 2017 Maserati Quattroporte is GranLusso 20 and QUOT, Maserati wheels 3.0L twin-turbo V6 engines F8-speed automatic transmission with paddle shifters navigation system rear view camera surround view camera Harman Kardon premium sound system blind spot monitoring system rear parking aid front parking aid heated front seats ventilated front seat heated steering wheel memory seats XN and headlights adaptive light control system power automatic windows cruise control dial power and heated exterior mirrors keyless and keyless start white exterior brown leather interior owner's manual floor mats 2 sets of keys under Maserati factory warranty. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any question you might have or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2017 Maserati Quattroporte GranLusso is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to you. Visit us at autogallerychicago.com.